Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the top 5 benefits of vitamin C for skin. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Skin is the largest organ of our body, and its primary function is to protect us against insults from the outside. Skin's first layer, which is named the epidermal outer layer, is cellular and acts as a barrier. The inner layer is called the dermal layer and provides strength and elasticity. This layer has another function, that is the transformation of nutrients to the epidermis layer. A normal healthy skin should contain plenty of vitamin C to do many beneficial activities for the skin. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of vitamin C for the skin, so stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. What is vitamin C? Vitamin C is one of the most effective ingredients for the skin. Sometimes it is called a legendary skincare product in the world of skincare. Vitamin C is a water-soluble antioxidant which can be found in a natural and healthy skin component. As we are getting older, the amount of it decreases. So, if you want to have a bright, young, and healthy skin, you should apply vitamin C products to your skin. Vitamin C benefits for the skin. Number 5. Collagen production. The most important effects of vitamin C is its helping to collagen production. Actually, vitamin C is essential for production of collagen in the body. 70–80% of skin is made of a protein named collagen. So, now you can realize why collagen is an essential key for the body. Collagen is the major component that is very beneficial for every part of the body. One of the most important roles of collagen in the body is to keep the integrity of cartilage, which is a tissue that protects your joints. As you may know, collagen is a kind of protein which builds the skin, hair, and muscle tissue. Collagen has a great influence on keeping the skin youthful and smooth. When you apply vitamin C to your skin, it will accelerate the production of collagen and make the skin firm. So, it will give your skin a youthful, firm, and smooth appearance. Number 4. Reducing lines, wrinkles, and any aging effect. The collagen role in skin is to keep all layers of skin moisturized and smooth. As we are getting older, collagen production reduces. This process starts from the 20s and gets lesser and lesser over time. The result of this would be wrinkles on the skin. Wrinkles are the most obvious signs of aging, which is caused by thinning of all 3 layers of skin: hypodermis, dermis, epidermis. Collagen is the most important component of the dermis layer. Decreasing collagen makes all these layers thin and dehydrated, which leads to elasticity loss of skin and appearing wrinkles. When you use collagen supplements, you fill the lack of it from the outside. So your skin will remain moisturized as it was in your 20s. If you have wrinkles now, and you want to decrease their appearance, having collagen supplements every day will help you a lot to eliminate the depth of the wrinkles and look younger. As it is clear, when collagen production increases, your wrinkles and lines will decrease. It is because vitamin C not only helps the production of collagen, but also it has a great influence on production of elastin, a crucial substance for keeping the skin firm and young. It gives you skin support and structure. It protects the skin against damage and helps the skin to regenerate itself again. Number 3. Supporting the skin against UV. The most important environmental challenge that skin is faced to is UV radiation, both from the sun or tanning beds. Vitamin C can effectively repair the sun damage with its antioxidant components, which can neutralize the free radicals. As UV radiation can affect both epidermal and dermal layers of skin, it will cause many changes in the appearance of the skin as well as its elasticity. Researches have been shown that vitamin C can heal the damages which are caused by the sun or any UV radiation. Number 2. Brightening the skin. Hyperpigmentation is a process in which dark spots develop on the skin, and the most common cause of it is sun exposure and environmental stress. This is not just harmful for your skin tissue, it also makes you look older, and your skin darker and more uneven than what it really is. Vitamin C has a wonderful effect on lightening the brown spots on your face. It does not matter what has made these spots, vitamin C can brighten them. Many eye creams have vitamin C in their ingredients, because it can also reduce dark circles. Vitamin C antioxidants properties can combat these unwanted dark areas, because it aids the production of melanin, which is an enzyme that can prevent hyperpigmentation. Number 1. Hydrating the skin. Keeping the skin hydrated is the best thing that you can do for your skin. If you always keep your skin hydrated, most of the skin problems won't happen to you in your lifetime. A hydrated skin is a fresh, youthful, bright, and firm skin. The good news is that vitamin C is clinically indicated that it can help to retain the skin water and prevent it from being oily or dry. Dryness of the skin can cause some skin diseases and skin allergies such as eczema, redness, cracking, and inflammation. A solution to have perfect hydrated skin is to drink enough water, using vitamin C supplements, and for the external layer of the skin you should use moisturizers. Skin dryness can happen for everyone at any age. It can also be a response to illness, medication, environmental damages, age, and many other reasons. Addition of vitamin C in any form such as supplements or serums enhances the production of barrier lipids which increase the skin ability to protect itself from water loss. As you are aware of vitamin C benefits for the skin, it is the time to add it to your daily skin routine as a serum, or add it to your diet as supplements. Both will work. Vitamin will help your skin to be healthier, but it is not enough by itself. You should also use sunscreen every day, put on moisturizer, and have a healthy diet in order to have a bright, healthy, smooth, fresh and firm skin. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.